The magic circle is a way to start off crocheting in the round, and I find it less fiddly and neater than the other common method, which is to join a number of chains in a circle. However, many consider the magic circle a less secure way of starting off. The version I'm going to show you is very secure because it has 2 circles rather than 1. So to start this magic circle, take your yarn and wind it around both your fingers twice, like this. Then insert your hook under both strands and hook your working yarn, drawing it back and under your 2 strands. Finish it off by hooking your working yarn again, this time over your 2 strands, and closing with a slip stitch. This completes your magic circle. What's quite important in making it is to take care to not let the slip knot get very tight. You want it loose enough that both strands of your circle can move freely through it. Now, all you do is crochet your first round of stitches into the circle. I've started with a chain 2 and now I'm going to crochet another 11 trebles into the circle, making 12 trebles in total in this starting round. These are double crochet stitches in American terms. When you've finished, let's take a closer look at what we have. I always hold my circle with a knot on the left. Leading into this knot are the 2 circles, one behind the other, and the trebles are spread across them. Gently pull on the yarn in front to close the first circle, which will also draw the treble stitches together. Then pull on your yarn end, giving it a firm tug at the end to close the circle tightly. If you find it stiff when you're trying to draw either of these threads, it'll most likely be because your knot was pulled tight when you formed the circles. Then all you need to do at the end is slip stitch it closed. And there you have it, your first round of treble crochets complete, utilizing the magic circle method.